everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Engineering Zindabad. I'm Pragati Agrawal and today we are starting with the base setup, okay, that is needed in order to create the apps. Okay, so when we are saying that we will be creating apps, then we need some environment and some base setup, some place where we will be writing the code. Okay, so we will be doing that today. So how to start with it, I'm telling you, and just follow me. Okay, just start it, just follow me. Don't just leave this step, because once you don't do this, the next moment there will be problems, there will be trouble with you. Once you haven't formed the setup, now you can't create apps, right? You will just be seeing videos and it will not be helpful. Okay, so what to do? First you have to download VS Code, and to download VS Code you have to simply write download VS Code for Windows, right? And on the very first link itself you will get this. Okay, yeah, here click this, and after that it will be downloaded, and after clicking this you have to install this on your system. And if you find any trouble with this, then you can reach me out in the comment section below. Don't hesitate in asking for help. If you are finding any problem with this, I will surely help you. Now the second thing you have to do is, after downloading this VS Code, you have to download Python. Here, this link. So what you have to do, you have to write Python for Windows download, and you will get this very first link here. From here you can just download it and install it. Again, if you find trouble with this, you have to do next and set path, next and over. It will be over. It doesn't take much. But if you find any trouble, then do put it in the comments that you are finding problem, and I will help you out with it for sure. I will reach you out and I will help you. So just don't hesitate and ask me. Now the third thing that you have to do is, you have to create the Python environment. Yes, now to create the Python environment, what you need to you have to code it somewhere, right? You have to code the app somewhere where you will be coding it. And what is Python environment? What am I talking about? So basically what I am saying is, just look at my screen. What you have to do, let's suppose there is this paint app. Okay, I'm explaining it here. Look it here. Now let's suppose I am creating an app called Scientific Calculator. Let me give it a name, Scientific Calculator SC. Okay, and I am also thinking or planning to create one other app in future. Okay, now the name of this app is what this app does, this is image editing app. Okay, now basically the Scientific Calculator app, for creating this we need some packages. Okay, there are packages that are inbuilt and we use them in order to create this app. So basically when we say PyQt5, then that PyQt5 is also a package. Okay, Qt5 tools, again a package. So I will talk about all of this in much details, but then what these packages are, these are used in order to build this app. Okay, so the code that we are writing, and we have these packages that we use, and after that inside our code, and what these packages are, right? Like I'm saying, let's suppose we have 3 packages. Let's suppose in our situation we have 3 packages for this SC, that is Scientific Calculator. Now these 3 packages have certain versions. Let's suppose package 1 is with the version 1, package 2 is with the version 2, and package 3 has the version 3. Okay, now these all are compatible with each other. When I say compatible, that means that when you use package 1 or package 2 or package 3, they all together work very properly. Okay, they don't give you any error when it comes to installation or usage. Okay, now you have another image editing app with multiple packages. Again, let's suppose we have package 1, the same packages that we have in Scientific Calculator. Okay, 1, 2 and 3, the same packages we have. Okay, but then there are different versions of them. 4, let's suppose package 2 has the version 7, and let's suppose package 3 has the version 2. Be it any version, just be it any. Now the thing is that these packages 1, 2, 3 with the version 4, 7 and 2 respectively are satisfying each other when it comes to image editing. Okay, so for image editing we need these 3 packages with these versions, and for this S scientific calculator we need these 3 packages with these versions. Okay, so this is basically what we need. Why? Because if we, let's suppose, say instead of 4 if we use 1 here, I can't just erase it, so if we use 1 here instead of 4 for image editing, then it is not satisfying the compatibility. Now the problem is that if we have installed this, how to install this I will tell you on an IDE on VS Code. I will help you understand right now in this tutorial, but just for a time being listen to me. Now here in the scientific calculator we have these packages, but now we have to create an image editing app. Okay, we have already created this. Then what we will do on that very same environment, okay, we will give the name of the environment for this scientific calculator, and on the very same environment if we will install this 4, 7 and 2, then these will be gone, 1, 2, 3 will be gone. So now scientific calculator can't run because this is something that it required, and this is something that is required by image editing. So what we do, we have created separate, we can create separate environments for both these apps. You can give it a name scientific calculator app. Now how to create those environments, let me explain you. So for what you have to do, after installing VS Code and Python, you have to open VS Code, okay, and you have to run it as administrator. Yes, so initially, like when you have not opened any file on your VS Code, this is how it will look. See, this is the kind of look that you will get. Okay, or if you are getting something else, you can comment down below and I will help you with that. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open any new folder, right? Or what I am telling you about right now, I am explaining you like how to create environment. So let me help you understand that first. Okay, so we have to open this terminal from here. Click terminal and new terminal, and you will get this. Okay, this is the place where we write the commands, and also like in order to install those packages that I was actually talking about. Now right now you can see on this left hand side there is this bubble, but no package name is written. So which location is it showing? So the place where you want to create that app, you will be creating the environment there only, because this is something that I prefer. Now you can see, you can check out here also you can create a folder at this location. Let's suppose I want to create an app, I want to keep the app in this folder. Okay, so what I will do, I will create this folder first. So I will say mkdir, and then comes the folder's name. So my app folder, so I am giving it a name app folder. Right now what is this mkdir? Make directory, that is make my folder with this name. Okay, so this new folder is created. Now we will get inside this folder. How we do that? cd, change directory, means we are currently in PC folder, but we want to get inside this app folder, right? So we will do app underscore folder, and we have got inside this folder. Now we will create environment, because inside this we want to create our app. We want our app to be inside this. So what we will do, we will create the environment. How to create environment? Python -m, okay, -m or whatever you call it. This is this -m, whatever. Now -m venv, that means virtual environment. Now what is the name of the virtual environment that we want to create? This is first environment. Let's suppose first environment is the name of my environment that I want for this calculator app. Okay, scientific calculator app. It's getting created. Yeah, so we have our environment created now, because there is no error and we have successfully got this. Now what you have to you have to get into this environment and then create the app, right? So we don't need, currently we are in global environment, so whatever you install on the global, right, we are inside the global. Let me help you understand this in Paint. Let's suppose we have some third environment right? This is the first environment for scientific calculator, and this is the second environment. Let's suppose there is this one global environment. Let me give this some color also. So this is a global environment. Oh, control Z. And now this is a global environment we have with us. This global environment is the one that can be used by any of these. Okay, so there is a command through which we can use the global environments packages also. Okay, so there are some, let's suppose, packages like P5 and P7, and these are general. I can't write it. Okay, black color. So let's suppose we have with us P5. Wait a minute. P5 and P7. Again, these are two packages. Now we want to use these packages from globally, right? That is present in the global environment inside scientific calculator and inside this also. Then we have to just give one extra command line argument and we can use these. Now the factor is here that currently we are in this global environment, and that's why on the left we can't see anything. To activate this environment, what you have to do, you have to write the name of this, that is do tab after writing half of this FIR and then tab. Okay, so I got the complete name. Don't write completely, this will, because this is quite easy. Now just use tab. Now after that scripts and then tab, SC and then tab, then we got complete scripts. Now there is this thing activate. Okay, so AC and tab, and we got activate. Now just enter it and see here is this green colored environment name written here. So this is now activated, and now we can successfully create our apps inside it. Now after this environment installation, what you have to do, after creating this environment, what you have to do, you have to install PyQt5 through pip command. Okay, through which we will be creating app. The framework that we are using in order to create app, how to install it, I have already the screenshot with me. You have to just see this, just look at this screenshot. Okay, we have, after activating this environment, you can see teach environment 1. Inside this I have written this command pip install PyQt5. Okay, this one, let me write it here. I will put this notepad file in the description below. I will add it to the link. And put that link. So what you have to do, pip install PyQt5. You have to write this pip install PyQt5 on this terminal here. Pip install PyQt5, and you have to hit enter. Get this image again. After this successful installation of PyQt5, you can see I have written this other command, pip install PyQt5 tools. Okay, so pip install PyQt5 tools is the other command that you have to use after this one. And after that, okay, so what we are doing, I just told you what you have to do. You have to just write that command, and in my case it's already installed on one environment, so I thought that without wasting any time I should explain you the other thing. So we are again activating our other environment, and that is we are again installing our activating our environment first env. Okay, so after I'm really sorry, scripts and then activate. And then activate. Okay, so after activating, I have activated it again, this environment. Now after doing that pip install PyQt5, you have to write pip install PyQt5 tools. Pip install PyQt5 tools. I'm really sorry. Okay, and see, this is the kind of output you will get. Okay, I can't just show it to you, might be because this internet's okay. I have just cancelled the operation in between only. I have done Ctrl+C. In order to cancel the operation, you can do Ctrl+C. If by mistake you have executed something, you can do Ctrl+C, that you don't want to do it any further. Okay, now the other thing is, after doing this installation, what will be the case? Let me explain you that. Okay, So after installing that, how it will be looking something like this. See, this is the folder in which I have already written the code. If I just wait a minute. Okay, so now we have understood that how we can install PyQt5 through pip. These are the images. This is the image that I have shown you. This one, pip install PyQt5, and after that this command. Okay, pip install PyQt5 tools, and you will be good to go. After creating a virtual environment, you have to install this PyQt5 like this, and then you have to go create a UI design in the designer.exe. How you have to create that, let me explain you. So I will open the environment that I have already created with my PyQt5 installed. Okay, so this is the folder, and inside this is the environment. Okay, and inside this you have to just search what we have to search. We have to search designer.exe, and yes, you have to just open it. I want to show you the file location. Here in the environment that you have created, inside that get inside lib, and after that inside that site packages, then Qt5 applications, inside that Qt, and then bin, and you will get this designer.exe. Don't get into any other, don't open something else, just open designer.exe, and the best way is get inside your environment and search for designer.exe. Okay, so this designer is now wait a minute. This designer is now open. This is the screen that you will get, and what you have to do here, there are many options. What you have to select, you have to select main window, this one. Okay, and then just create it. Okay, after creating this, you have to just save this. This is the best way that I prefer. For me, this is the best way. I prefer always creating UI like this. If you want to learn how to create the complete UI in this, then I will take those lectures, but for now we will be utilizing this way, that we have to just create the window and it will give us this UI file. Okay, so let me save it. So inside desktop I am saving it, or inside Python teaching, let me take it inside this folder, Python teaching, and I will give this a name of Sci UI, SCI, scientific calculator, so Sci and SCI UI. Okay, so save it. After that, get inside your folder where you have created this, where you have saved this. So we have saved this here. Now what I am doing, I am moving it into the scientific calculator folder. We have this sci_ui.ui. okay, this is the file that we have just created. So we have to get inside our terminal, inside the VS Code, or you can say, so open terminal, click new terminal. Okay, now you know how to activate the environment. So the name of the environment that here in this folder is teachenv1, and then scripts, then activate, and yes, this is activated. Now using, what you have to do, the next step is, after creating that UI file, you have to convert this into Python file. Okay, so you will be getting a Python file like this one, not this one but this one. Okay, so you will be getting this kind of UI file. How to convert it? These are the commands that I am using. That is pyuic5, and then the name of the UI file, and then this for arrow on the right side arrow, and after that you have to write the name of the Python file that you want. Okay, to get it converted into. Now what we have to do, we have to write the same command. So we will be like pyuic5, and the name of the UI file that we want to convert. So the file that we have created is sci_ui. So SCI, oh I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. See, there is this other problem with using this tab option and not writing it completely. So if there is another name of first we have to get in where this sci_ui file is present inside the scientific calculator, and we are in Python teaching folder. So first we have to get inside this Python teaching folder, inside this scientific calculator. Okay, so we got inside this cd by using this command cd change directory. Now what we have to do, PyQt5 and 5, and after that the name of UI file is sci_ui tab, and after that this arrow, and after that we have to write the name of the Python file, that is sci_ui.py. okay, and hit enter. So we have now got this file successfully. sci_ui.py is written this here, you can see, right? So we have got our UI file converted into code. Now we can use this code. Okay, so I believe the video has turned long and we have taken a lot of time. Yes, then how to use this code and how to initialize this repository as GitHub, I will be taking up in this next video. It's 6 and I'm hungry, so let's meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. I hope you have understood. Just follow the instructions and do it on your own system. If you are finding any challenge in between, then do comment down below and I will help you out. Okay, we will be talking, I can even help you out through any desk. Okay, so don't need to worry if you are finding any challenge. Just put it down in the comments below. You can just reach me out on LinkedIn. On my LinkedIn, I can help you there as well. You can find the link in the description. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I am requesting you here to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, definitely in the next video I will be taking up these steps, like how to create this, how to use this converted Python file, okay, and how to link, how to create buttons inside it, inside this app UI that we have got, how to run this app, okay, and then how to put buttons inside it, then link those buttons through code, and how to write the code, just everything, and how to just pull and push the code on GitHub. So yeah, that's it. We will be talking about all this in the next upcoming video. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.